Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Surbhi, and in today's video we will be doing a nice summery look. It is going to be a sweat proof summery makeup tutorial, and I want to clear out one thing before we begin, that a sweat proof summery makeup is more towards techniques and hacks that you apply in applying your makeup, so that even if you sweat, because sweat is not something which is in your control, definitely you will sweat. It is hot in summer, and in Mumbai, especially in India, we always have that issue. So you have to make sure that you apply some tricks to it, or some techniques, or some products. It's amalgamation of everything, and it will really help you to keep your makeup in place even if you will sweat. So let's quickly start with the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it, and also please follow me on Instagram. So now rest of everything you will hear is in voiceover, because I have some construction going on everywhere, and that's a little problematic because I'm not using any mic, so please bear with me.
So finally, I'm here with all these summery vibes and wearing a floral light top. I'm loving this color and the summer vibe. Now, firstly, we're gonna start with prepping our skin for summer. That is very, very important. And the first step is to go in with eyes. You have to make sure that you use a nice cloth, and you have to put this all over your face. This will tighten your pores and prep your skin. It will make your skin very tight and intact for your application of makeup, and because of summer we need that extra care, so you have to put it all over on your face. This will also reduce all the puffiness going on and any inflammation going on your face, because the summer is super super hot. So make sure that you go in all over your face, your lips, nose, under eye, your forehead, everywhere. Next comes a moisturizer. I am using Points Light moisturizer. Now, amazing moisturizer. I have almost completed it. Like, I'm going to finish this in the second use, and for summer I feel that this is really very nice, because this moisturizer is really very nice, sips into my skin, and you have to give a minute to it, so that it can actually go and sip it inside. Because it's summer and we don't have to dehydrate our skin, we do not have to skip on moisturizer. So using a moisturizer which is non-oily, non-sticky, and still moisturizes your skin is really really very important. Next, not to forget, but we have to use a sunblock. I am using 3 pumps of Neutrogena, again a super super amazing sunblock. It is with SPF 50, and no matter, even if you're not going out, you have to use a SPF. Now this is the trick that I'm using a compact powder. You can go in and use your loose powder. I'm going to dig my brush in, and I'm just going to dab it all over my face. Now I'm just pressing the product in. Okay, you do not have to go back and forth, you just need to press the product. So this will help to mattify your skin completely and set your face. I don't use setting sprays personally, so I think this works really, really well for me. And this will soak in your skin and will mattify your skin. Now I have a trick for you. Now you can go with the foundation which is very water based because it's summer. Then you can use a concealer or a compact powder, any of your choice, okay, and even a CC cream, anything. You can pick that for your face as your base. For this video I am going to take a watery foundation, and what's better than a Maybelline Fit Me. The consistency is very clay and very light, it's very liquidy, and just 1 or 2 drops of it is enough for my whole face, because it's summer and I just don't want to look cakey, and I don't want a full coverage. Okay, I just want a nice even base for my skin. Okay, even if my scars screen through or anything, that's completely fine. You just have to spread it all over your face properly and just dot it off. And then by using a beauty blender, you have to make sure that the beauty blender is damp. Okay, and then just dab it. Now make sure that you dab it and not go over it. Okay, you just have to dab the product in your skin, and we have to use very minimum layers. We have to make sure that in summers we apply a very thin layer on our face. No matter how many products are you using, you have to apply a very 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 minimal layer on your face, because if you will sweat, then it will end up looking really really cakey, and that's not your type. It feels very very hot, and you have to apply a very very less amount of product to your mouth, because if you will wear mask you will definitely break down. Now after this I'm going to use a cream blush. Now I absolutely love cream blush during especially in summers, because even if you sweat, it will leave a nice glow, a nice dewy finish on your skin, and the powder actually flushes out. Okay, so this is the best thing. And then I'm going to use a same beauty sponge and just going to do dab it. Now can you see, just gives me a light tint of peachy tones and it looks really amazing. Now I'm taking a compact powder. You can go with a loose powder, but because I have not used any concealer on my face, that's the reason that I'm using a compact powder. And this is the Lakme 9 to 5 finish powder. This is really good one. I usually like to use it with my sponge or my brush. Next I am using a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and I will suggest that during summers avoid powder product and stick to this pencil, because if you will sweat it won't fade out. I'm just following my natural lines. I'm not making a specific, to be precise eyebrow. I'm just following the natural lines so that they are a little bushy, that's fine, but the gaps are filled in. Now, can you see this beautiful palette? Oh my god, I am just loving this professional palette. I am using this peachy tone in summer. This is a nice neutral color for especially for your transition shade, and I am just going to buff it all on my eyelid. I am not going to create any specific eye look, to be honest, so I'm just going to give it a nice finish, a nice flush of pink and nudes, because it's all time favorite. And even in summer I love to have my eyes to be, nice and peachy. This really makes you look happy and healthy, and I really believe that I love minimal makeup, minimal products, minimal makeup, but to be even out and to get, look really, really presentable. That is what more my type. And you just make sure that you do not have any harsh lines, just buff it out very nicely. Now I'm using this Miss Claire pencils, color pencils. Now these are the eyeliner pencils, and I can tell you the pigmentation is really, really good, and this is very inexpensive. I just thought of going a little extra because I'm not doing any dramatic eyes, so I am using it as my eyeliner. Next I'm going in with my MAC Meher lipstick, and this is a nice pink color. I absolutely love the shade. So that's it for this look. Now I am using a little mascara. Now this is a Maybelline mascara Hyper Curl. This is really not a very great mascara, but for everyday and for summer it works amazingly for me, because in person this looks really dramatic and nice, but not much in camera. So I like to use this. This gives me a nice, precise lashes. And this is the final look. Now I will tell you my basic hack, that is the most important hack. Just take one tissue or one cotton pad, and you have to dab it, you have to press all over your face the way I am doing. This will help out to remove the excess product and will take off any sweat which has generated while doing makeup. So this will make sure that even if you sweat later on, it won't flush out your makeup. Trust me, your makeup's gonna stay last long. It's gonna stay there for the end of the day. Like without using a setting spray, I can make sure that this makeup technique will work for you. So I like using this. You can even use a blotting paper, but I like doing this because this kind of take the sweat away and removes the excess product too. Now can you see, I just applied so much thin layer, but still you can see the transfer. So this is like how I like to go, and this is the final look. I'm loving the teal eyes, I'm loving the peachy tones, the even out skin. And for this everyday, or even if I'm going out for an event, well, now it's corona again and lockdown again and we are at home, but still, this is, I would love to carry this summer look. So let me know what are your thoughts on this video, and give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time.